Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I'm following a thread on my G37.com where a guy is pretty much adapting some chassis dampers and chassis braces from a 370 Nismo onto, his sedan. Should technically work for a coupe too. So the first piece is a direct bolt-on piece. It's the front chassis damper off the car. Kind of looks like that. Utilizes the stock bolts right there, and the two that are right there. I pretty much cut a slit to slide that through so I can still maintain this. I guess it's technically like a air guide, but anyhow, I want to keep it, so I did that. That's the front piece. Again, it's a direct bolt-on. I just wanted to also add this in because I was actually able to install it. So this is how it looks like installed. So I had to actually trim a good bit more of, the plastic, and in order for it to sit across that way. Yep. Let's see. These two front pieces are actually off of a G37 convertible. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it should. Sorry, my car's too low. It goes somewhere in the front part right there. The coupes and sedans don't have this particular piece. What is it? GT spec makes a brace. However, the brace is, I think, only connects 2 points. This has a total of 3 points that it's bolted to. It's an OEM piece. You can see it's boxed. So that's that. That's for the front. And then this is off of the 370Z Nismo. Only the Nismo has it. The normal ones don't have it. So this is, I guess you can call like the triangle piece, and then this is the rear damper. So the 370 Nismo has a bracket that allows the damper to go on. What is it? The normal 370, like the Touring and the base, has this particular brace, but it doesn't have the revisions like this for the damper. I don't know if this is stock on the base too, actually, but I know for sure the main difference is going to be this damper, and there's a bracket that everything bolts to. Kind of goes like this. So this piece, there was a member off of the forum that had made a drawing, was pretty cool about sharing it, and I had a guy CNC this piece up. It's two pieces. It does need to be welded. There's actually supposed to be a tube that goes in between and welded also. So I'm just kind of test fitting. It's not really working out like how I like, because the bolt holes aren't lining up right there. So I may need to ask the guy to tweak the drawing a little bit, or I might be able to slot it. The other issue would be, I don't know if the top slots will line up to the chassis. So I'll need to take some time to do that. Yeah, so that's currently what I'm messing around with. I guess some update. The car isn't running 100%. Still trying to figure out, I guess, some misfiring issues. So I'm working with Eugene for that. I'm going with him for my next tune. Oh, recently I had a fuel leak from the damper. So actually it's still leaking. So I gotta figure out what's going on with that. I think it's leaking from the sensor right there. Yeah, it is. It's leaking from the sensor. So, I also installed the Specialty Z Flex Fuel Kit. This is the ethanol sensor right there. And then this is supposed to be a, fuel pressure sensor. So I need to wire that. I think that's that's about it. Yep, so I guess that's the update with the car. All right, thanks guys.